In this video, I'm going to show you how to see clipboard history in Windows 11. So if, say, for example, you're copying multiple things in your Windows PC and you want to be able to remember what are those things that you've copied, I'm going to show you how to do that. So usually when you're going to copy this one, if you're going to do something like that, it's just going to send it straight away to clipboard. Now, the problem is if you have it turned off, you won't be able to see the other things if you're going to copy, say, for example, the newest one. Now, what you're going to do to enable this one is you're going to head over to the settings and just type here straight away clipboard, and you should be able to see the clipboard settings and open it. Now, from this point forward, the first thing that's going to pop up is clipboard history. What you're going to do is turn this off. Now, in order for you to bring it, you need to press the Windows key and V. So to do that, I have opened here an on-screen keyboard. So you can click the Windows and then V, and then you should be seeing something like this. So I'm gonna go ahead and just minimize this one. All right, there you go. So as you can see, I have a clipboard added in here. And then if I'm going to go ahead and copy the other things also, you should see it here. So let's go ahead and test this one. So we have this, I'm gonna copy, and then I'm also going to copy oranges. All right, now let's go ahead and bring that back. As you can see, we have now added here the first thing that we copied, and then apples and oranges. And that everybody's how you're going to see the clipboard history here in Windows.